So I've had my DC44 Dyson for quite a while now, and it kind of works, but after a while it just sort of goes dead, and it's typical sign of a battery on the way out. So yeah, I bought myself a new battery on eBay. I'll drop the link in the description. Also, you can get them on Amazon as well. Buy the new battery, make sure you get the right one, which is quite easy to do by taking the old one off, and then order it up, and then when it arrives just switch them over, and then you've got a as new Dyson DC44. So this is the battery, it's arrived. So it's very similar to the previous one. Well, it's exactly the same shape, but the capacity may be different because you can buy bigger ones. The capacity on this one is 4,000 milliamp hours, and it's rechargeable, and the plug here is the same as the one on the wall. So to remove the battery, you obviously need to take this front bit off here and take the filter off. And then just here, above the two contacts, is a Phillips screw, which I've removed, and that's it here. There you go. So just a normal Phillips screwdriver, like this one, a bit rusty. And then also remove the longer screw from here, which I've already done. And that also is a Phillips screw, which is removable with the screwdriver. It gets a bit stuck, but you know, if you just give it a tap, it will drop out. Once that's done, the battery can be removed. So that's the anchor point there for the screw coming in the back, and then the one inside behind the filter goes in there. So this battery pack is dead. It's 5,000 milliamp hours opposed to the 4,000 one there. So it should have had a larger capacity, but it's definitely degraded over time. So this is the second battery change. Changed the original out a few years back, and there's nothing wrong with the motor, it keeps going. So this is the third battery that this Dyson has had. So put the new one in, and then replace the long screw here and the short screw there. Putting the short screw in. Okay, that's nice and tight. And then put the long screw in the back. And just do that up. That works. Put the filter back in, and then put the canister or the front nozzle part back on, and that's it. The new battery is a non-memory battery, and but you know, obviously it arrives pretty empty, and so it needs to be charged. And then that shows that it's charging. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and look in the description for the links to the battery, or click the QR code on the screen. All right, cheers, bye.